Hi everybody, it's Ann Anderson with Edina Realty. We're really excited. We have some great listings coming on. I'm in St. Paul right now at 572 Dayton Avenue in this condo that has been completely renovated, like top to bottom. It's one of the coolest properties that I have ever been in, honestly. And the price is really moderate at $650 for a cool condo in St. Paul. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bath. But that's just the nuts and bolts of it. Look how cool this is. We've got the statement piece in this property is this wall art cabinet. It's a cabinet that's got historic stained glass, and it was built by an artisan in Stillwater, Russ Savstrom. He does so many cool things, and this is one of them. So this is attached as part of the property. A couple of the highlights are this whole fireplace was redone with stone, built-ins everywhere, new woodwork, new trim, new doors, except for the kitchen. The kitchen remains as it was, and it's really super functional. So you have formal dining here, and you have a little breakfast bar in here too. Okay, another really cool piece, in addition to the wall art, is this bathroom. This is the main floor powder room, and it was designed, this whole place was designed by Tammy Holston, who is also another local artisan. She's a designer in Stillwater, and so it has won design awards. So this tiny little bathroom was turned into just a really cool space with this sliding mirror barn door. So we also have, in addition to this place, well, there's so much more to see, but just stay tuned for our pictures. We'll have a link and a video of everything so you can take a look. But I also have a really cool property coming on in Miller Farms. It's listed as coming soon. We're getting aerial photography done and inside pictures, I think by the end of the week. So that'll be coming next week. That'll be at 8:50, or it is at 8:50. And we'll have a link to that as well. And then we also have a great townhome in Millbrook coming in the $250 price range. So look for the link below. So we have kind of something for everybody in the cities, something with about an acre, a little townhome in Stillwater. So take a peek at everything and try to stay cool. We'll see you next week.